Na ano, hindi mo alam kung daliri o ano eh.
Kay Undon.
Come on. Quiet lang.
Eat the banana.
Sige na, you show your mama. Matapos nga nigay.
Hindi daw si Chay maglilin sa ano.
Sige, we'll have bad.
Eating the banana toast.
Quiet moment. Ito pala yung ano, quiet moments niya. Eat the toe. How's it taste?
Ballet dancer. Yung isa naman anak, wala nang lasa eh.
Pudpud na yan. This is how you tire yourself? Galing na niya, oh. Go to daddy. There's daddy, oh. Delikado ka. That was close, oh.
Tanya pa ako.
Well, then, what do you want? What do you want? Tired now. Sleepy ka? Do you want to drink water? Danny. Puti-puti. Ang puti-puti. Oh, yeah.